Hi guys, and welcome back to the second video for Investigation 2 Part 3. And here we're looking at the force of magnetism, again, the force over distance. So we want to know how the force is affected by the distance between the magnets. And in this case, we're going to look at magnets, and we're going to have a paper clip on the other end of it. So you should be in your notebook sheet already, notebook sheet 9, which is called Adding Magnets, which you can find in your notebook on OneNote, or you can find it through Teams. We are going to be adding magnets to the right side of this page and a paper clip to the left side of this page. And what we really want to do is take a look at how close the magnet has to get to the paper clip before the paper clip jumps over to the magnet, before the magnetic field attracts the paper clip. We're going to look at it with one magnet, and we're going to look at it with all four magnets added together to see if there's more or less distance between the paper clip and the magnet before the magnetic field pushes them together. Now, if we were in class doing this, we would do it many times with one magnet, two magnets, three magnets, and four magnets. But because we're not in class, we're just going to be looking at it with one and looking at it with three. And the beauty of these floss videos is that they can get so much closer that you can actually see what shows up on theirs. I tried to do it myself and have it show, but I just can't get it to show on my computer the way that they can get it. So here she's bringing the magnet closer, and then they're going to come up closer to show you. Now take a look at where the magnet is when the paper clip jumps. And right here, you can see that it was at 22. Let me back that up for a second. And here it comes closer. Take a look at where that is. Right at 20, and then two little lines, so 22. And these are millimeters, as it states down here. So at 22 millimeters, the magnetic field attracted the paper clip when it was one magnet. So here we're going to take a look at it with four magnets. We'll look at it a little farther away, and then bring it up closer. Take a look at those lines to see when it stops and when it becomes attracted. And if you look down here on the lines, again, they're in millimeters, and it is all the way on the 30. So 30 millimeters away attracted the paper clip to the magnets when there were four magnets. So this attracted the paper clip at a farther distance than one magnet attracted the paper clip. Four magnets attracted the paper clip from a farther distance than one magnet attracted the paper clip. And right here, they're going to show you a table which can be completed. If we were to do this in class, our numbers may not be exactly the same of this, but they would be very similar to this. So you can see here on magnet with one magnet, first trial 17 millimeters away, second trial 17.5 millimeters away, and third trial 19.5 millimeters away. They took those three numbers, added them together, and then divided them by 3 in order to get the average. And that was 18 millimeters. So with one magnet, the paper clip was attracted at 18 millimeters. With two magnets, the paper clip was attracted at 28.2 millimeters. With three magnets, the paper clip was attracted at 32.3 millimeters away. And at four magnets, the paper clip was attracted at 35.2 millimeters away. So you can see that the numbers are definitely going up as we add more magnets to it, but the numbers aren't going up crazily. If we were to add two magnets, you might hypothesize beforehand that one magnet attracts it from 18 millimeters away. Maybe two magnets would attract it from 36 millimeters away, because 18 plus 18 is 36, but it's not 36. It's 28.2. Okay. Now let's see if we take 18 and we multiply it by 3 when we add three magnets. That doesn't equal out to 32.3. In fact, there's not a huge difference between the number for 2 and the number for 3. Two magnets attracted it from 28.2. Three magnets attracted it from 32.3. So it's definitely greater, but it's not crazy greater. And four magnets attracted it from 35.2. So again, a greater number, but not that much greater. From 18 to 28.2, it was about 10 millimeters closer that it attracted it. From 28.2 to 32.3, you're now about 5 millimeters closer that it attracted the paper clip. from 32.3 to 35.2, you're now about 3 millimeters closer that it attracted the paperclip. So while it is attracting the paperclip faster, it's not at the same rate. Adding the magnets a little farther away are not pulling the paperclip closer at the same ratio that the closer magnets are. So the magnets that are in the farther back are not as strong as the magnets that are in the front. That first magnet is going to be the strongest one. It's going to have the strongest magnetic field towards that paperclip. Adding more magnets does add a stronger magnetic field, but not the same. When we add 2 magnets, we don't get a 36 millimeter pull. It's less. It's 28.2. Okay, please copy this into your notebook sheet so that you will have it. And if there's any questions, you can please ask them now.